Hello everyone. The Gauteng High Court in Pretoria had that former Bafana Bafana captain Senzo tried to separate Zandie Longwe and Longwe who were fighting. This was revealed by the defense counsel for the accused number 5, advocate Zandie Longwe, when she referred to a statement written by Senzo's brother-in-law Mlungisi, who said the state witness Tumelo Madlala told him of a fight inside the Vosloorus home the same day Meyiwa was shot. In his statement, which was deposed in 2019, Hlophe said he called Madlala after the incident, who told him that there was a fight inside Kelly's home in Vosloorus between her sister Zandile and her then boyfriend Longwe. Meyiwa reportedly tried to separate the two. Hlophe further said that at the time he had no idea who Zandie was, and Madlala explained to him that she was Kelly's sister. Madlala said Hlophe's statement is not true and said that he never spoke to Hlophe after the incident and that his cell phone records can be investigated to prove that. He then alleged that a lead investigator in the first docket in the matter, Colonel Joyce Buthelezi, is behind Hlophe's statement and that she was pushing a certain narrative and had an agenda. Hlophe's statement said, "Tumelo told me there was a fight in Kelly Khumalo's house. Zandie was fighting with her friend. Senzo was trying to separate the two." Tumelo explained that Zandie was Kelly's sister. Advocate Mshololo also referred to another statement deposed by Kaya Ncaje, a neighbor who said that he heard noise, commotion, and shoving at the Khumalo household. The neighbor said that he thought there was a party as the noise was so loud. He then peeped through his bedroom window into Khumalo's home and saw a person wearing a white t-shirt with his back against the kitchen door before a shot was fired. Madlala had told the court that Meyiwa was wearing a white t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers the day he was murdered. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.